everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create a post on multiple Facebook pages at once without even touching your phone or your system. Now let's take an example that you are creating a post on your Facebook page and want to add that particular post on your another Facebook pages also. So now if you are creating that post multiple times in different Facebook pages, then this task is definitely time consuming. So I have bought this amazing automation by using which you can add a single post on different Facebook pages at once. So now let's start creating this automation, but before that I'm going to show you how this automation is going to work. So for that, let's move on towards my Facebook account where I have created this page, that is Digital Dynamics, and here I am going to create a post. And now I want to add the particular post in my another Facebook page, that is Tech Tribe and Prime Properties. So here I am going to add a post. So now let's add it here. So here I am going to provide the caption of my post. So here I have added this caption to my post, and now I am going to add an image. So here you can see this image which I am going to select. So here I have selected it, and now I am going to publish this post. So now let's click over this post button for making a post, and here you can see I have successfully made a post having the caption "Find yourself where the sky meets the earth." And now let's move on towards my another page to check whether my new post is added to that particular page or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my another page, that is Tech Tribe. So now let's refresh it. And here you can see my post has been successfully added to my another page, that is Tech Tribe. And now let's move on to our third page, that is Prime Properties, and now I am going to refresh this as well. And here you can see my post has been successfully added here as well. So now you have seen that within few seconds I have added my post in multiple Facebook pages at once without doing any manual work. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too, so that you can save your time by making your post live across all the Facebook pages and save time and stay consistent. So now if you want to learn this amazing automation, then watch this video till the end, and I have an amazing surprise for you. So stay with me till the end to know about that surprise. Now we are going to create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you just have to type its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing Pabbly Connect. But before moving on forward towards creating our automation, I am going to tell you about Pabbly Community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly Community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Connect again. And here I am going to simply click over this sign in, as I already have an account. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to integrate some applications, we will be using this Pabbly Connect app, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So for automating this task, we have to click over this Access Now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page, you can observe these folders. And inside these folders, I have created many workflows by integrating different applications. So if you also want to create your own folder, you simply have to click over this Create a New Folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name. And at the next point, if you want, you can even select your parent folder as well. And at last, you just have to click over this Create button and your folder will be created. But now, I am going to create a workflow. So for that, you simply have to click over this Create Workflow button, and you will be getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is Beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is Classic, which will provide you stable and and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button and you will be getting this dialog box where you have to provide the workflow name. So now I'm going to provide a name to my workflow here. So here I am providing it the name post on multiple Facebook pages at once, and now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button and here we are receiving this pop-up and we are successfully landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the most important component for building a workflow. So here we have to add our application which is going to initiate our workflow. So here I want to trigger my workflow as soon as a new post is created over my Facebook page. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook pages. So here I'm going to search for the Facebook pages which is going to be my trigger app, and here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it, and afterwards I'm going to select my app event as new post as I want to initiate this application on a particular event, that is post creation. And now we just have to click over this connect button and here we are landed to this connection page where if you want to go through your existing connection then you can select this button, and if you want to build a new connection then you have to select this button of add new connection, and here we are getting a new connection name with this button, that is connect with Facebook pages. So here I'm going to select this button, and you have to remember that your Facebook account must be logged in for building the connection, and if you haven't logged in your Facebook account then Pabbly will ask you to firstly log in your Facebook account, and as I have already logged in my Facebook account, I am getting this page for selecting my Facebook account. So here I'm going to simply click over this continue button, and afterwards I'm going to allow the access for the Pabbly Connect. So here as I have selected my continue button, my connection has been built in so smoothly. So if you want to build a smooth connection then make sure to log in your Facebook account first. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the Facebook page on which I want to create my post. So here you have to select the page on which you often create your post and want to add the post from that particular page to another pages automatically. So here I am going to select the Facebook page, that is Digital Dynamics, where I am going to create my post. So now let's select it here. So from this drop down I am going to select my Facebook page, that is Digital Dynamics, and now we just have to click over this save and send test request button. So now as I have clicked over this save and send test request button, its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now we have to provide the webhook response, means as soon as we will create a new post over our Facebook page, the response will be captured by Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the digital dynamic page, and here I'm going to make a new post so that we can get the response. So now let's create it. So here I am going to create a new post. So here I have provided this caption, that is Earth is not just our home, it's our responsibility. So here I am going to add a new image to this post. So here I have added it, and now let's post this, and here I am going to simply click over this post button. And here you can see my post having the caption Earth is not just our home, it's our responsibility has been created in my Facebook page. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving the response over there or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect I am successfully receiving this response having the same caption which we have recently posted in our Facebook page, and here you can see the link of the photo which we have added. So with this we have successfully added our trigger app, and now I am going to add some action apps. So action is the work which we are going to perform. So I want to repost on my another Facebook page. So here I am going to select my action app as Facebook pages. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and again I am going to search for the Facebook pages. So here you can see I am getting this Facebook pages application, and now I am going to select my app event as create page photo post. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to this connection page, and we have already built in our connection. So I am going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over this save button, and here our connection has been saved successfully, and we are getting some of the fields. So here we are getting the first field for selecting the page in which we want to repost. So here I'm going to select the page, that is Tech Tribe. So here you can see I'm getting this page, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the photo URL. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to do it manually, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the photo URL from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook pages so that I can make this field dynamic. So as soon as a new post is created over my particular Facebook page, that post should be reposted in my another Facebook page. So the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and here you can see I'm getting my previous application. So here I'm going to map the photo URL from the response of the Facebook pages. So here you can see the link which I'm going to map, and this field will be dynamic, means this is going to change with every new post created in our Facebook page. And now I'm going to add the description. So on the description I'm going to add the caption of the post created by us. So here you can see I'm getting this caption which I'm going to map. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see that we are receiving a positive response, which means we might have created the post in our another page, that is Tech Tribe. So now let's move on towards the page and check it. So here you can see I'm landed to this page where you can see that my post has been successfully reposted to this page as well. And here I'm getting the same caption and the same image as my previous post. So now we have successfully added our post in our second page. Now I'm going to add a third page, and here I'm using 3 pages only, but you can use multiple pages according to you. And now again I'm going to select this add new action step button and search for the Facebook pages again, and afterwards I'm going to select the same app event, that is create page photo post. And now let's click over this connect button and select our existing connection, and afterwards I'm going to select the page that is prime properties on which I want to make this post. And now I'm going to get the photo URL from the response of the Facebook pages. So here I'm getting it, and now I'm going to add the caption of the post in the description. So here I have provided all these details, and now I'm going to send the data by simply selecting the save and send test request button. And here you can see as I have clicked over this button, I'm receiving a positive response. So this means our post might be added to our third Facebook page, that is prime properties. So now let's move on towards that page, and here I'm going to refresh this. And here you can see I'm receiving the same post in this page as well. So now you can see that how easily I have automated my post creation for all the Facebook pages. And here I'm using only 3 pages, but you can add multiple pages likewise. And now as soon as you will create your post on your trigger Facebook page, the post will be automatically added to your another pages as well. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too. And now it's time to reveal the surprise. So this coupon code STUPC is the weighted surprise of the day. So by using this coupon code STUPC, you can get exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So use this code and get instant savings with creation of automation. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubt, then don't forget to mention it in my comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.